It's me. What if it's me looking down on me? The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.